Hyundai's popular midsize SUV has been refreshed for 2023, with sharper styling and goodies like a Wi-Fi hotspot and a digital rearview mirror. The 2023 Hyundai Palisade has been refreshed and unveiled at the New York Auto Show. Along with crisp styling, the interior has been reconfigured and now comes standard with a 12.0-inch infotainment screen. The powertrain is unchanged, with Palisade continuing to use a 3.8-liter V6, good for 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The Hyundai Palisade has been a hit for the South Korean brand since it went on sale for the 2020 model year, racking up more than 80,000 sales in 2020 and repeating that feat in 2021. Now Hyundai is giving the midsize SUV its first refresh, with the 2023 Palisade getting even bolder styling, a reconfigured interior, and the latest technological gizmos. The Palisade's grille is now more rectangular and features a similar armor-like graphic treatment to the Tucson and Santa Cruz. The thick, boomerang-shaped, vertical LED lighting signature has been pushed to the outer edge of the fascia, visually widening the SUV, and overall the Palisade's lines are more squared off than before. The rear bumper is redesigned, and the Palisade shown here rides on new 20-inch, 15-spoke wheels. These photos represent the top-of-the-line calligraphy model, with photos of lower trims to come closer to the on-sale date. The interior has also been reworked, with a new steering wheel design and thin horizontal air vents stretching across the dashboard. A 12.0-inch infotainment screen now comes standard, and USB-C ports have been sprinkled throughout the interior. The Palisade also offers a driver's seat that includes a massage function, while the third row gains heated seats and the second row acquires wing-out headrests and seat ventilation. The Palisade sports plenty of modern technology. For instance, a digital rearview mirror is now an option, while the wireless charging capability is faster than before. The latest version of Hyundai Digital Key, which allows owners to use an iPhone, Apple Watch, or Samsung Galaxy to lock, unlock, and start their car in lieu of a key, is also available, or drivers can remotely start the car via the key fob or Bluelink app. The Palisade also becomes the first Hyundai to offer Wi-Fi hotspot capability. The 3.8-liter V6 engine is unchanged in the 2023 Palisade, still producing 291 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. The 8-speed automatic transmission also remains, and the Palisade can still be had with either front or all-wheel drive. Palisades equipped with all-wheel drive gain a tow mode that reprograms the gearbox to hold lower gears for longer and lessens the frequency of gear changes. The Palisade should also be safer than before, with rear side impact airbags now standard.